You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Welcome if you are new. It's so nice to meet you. So today we are going to be doing a quick cleaning routine video. It is Friday afternoon. I'm excited to get the house cleaned up before we go into the weekend. That way I just don't have to like lift a finger all weekend. I just don't want to have to worry about anything. I have some Easter stuff to put away. I finally decided I love my Easter stuff. I posted about this on Instagram that I just love all the Easter stuff, but I finally am just kind of over it. I love all the bunny stuff, but I'm ready to move on and just get the house back to its normal state. So we're gonna put away that stuff. I have some laundry to do, but let's just go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like content like this and you like cleaning motivation videos. Let's just go ahead and get started. Just had an Amazon package delivery. The girls surprisingly did not go crazy when he rang the doorbell. Hello, Rosie. Are you a good girl? You gonna help mommy clean? You gonna help mommy clean? I just can't take them. They're so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands. Control would lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song and sang it loud, and I still remember parts of it, and the yellow glorious will it. Won't you be my guide and let me follow? Can I hold your hand for old time's sake? And all this time you waited for me. Little did we know, I guess it's fate. Now all is in our hands. All is in our hands. All is in our hands.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed. From a window in the mighty clouds up high, I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light. Sunshine. the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in, 'cause I am a. Let the force in, 'cause I am a. Let the force in. I am above, above. I feel above, above. I feel above, above. I feel above. Oh, I feel above.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles.
Okay guys, that is about it. Here is a quick little tour of the house, all nice and clean. I cleaned down that bar cart and I'm happy that I finally made it a point to clean my stainless steel appliances and wipe down the counters. Everything feels nice and fresh. The dining room table looks great. It's just nice and simple and clean. And the dining room, or sorry, the living room is all nice and tidy, and we are just all ready for the weekend. I also cleaned the bathroom, so everything was nice and sparkling clean. I also cleaned the floor in there, but I don't believe I showed that. So I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me. Alright guys, that is everything. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel if you like content like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!